Net of rectangular box. Let's have a look. A factory makes closed boxes. The lengths of the side of one of the boxes are shown in the diagram below, and we can see 20 centimeters, 30, and 70. So we have to draw a scale diagram of a net of the box in the grid below, and then they are giving us the scale. What does that scale mean? It means 1 centimeter on drawing will be the same as 10 centimeters actually in real life. That's basically what it means. And they are highlighting the fact that each small square is 1 centimeter. So where do we start? Wherever we want. But let's say we start with the face that we see. So here is 70 centimeters. So we have to, obviously, we don't have space to draw 70 centimeters. So we are doing what? Changing 10 centimeters to 1 on our drawing. So 70 therefore will be 7 centimeters, 30 will be 3, and 20 will be 2. So let's take a line, and then let's do 7 centimeters. So make sure you leave enough space. So we are going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did I do 7? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yes. Okay. And then we go what? Here is 20. So we go 2 down, and then 7 across. So we have the first phase. Then we are looking at the next one. So this one will be 7 by 3. So here all we have to do, we have to count 3, 3 down, and 7 across, the same. And then the one behind, so it will be the same like this face here. So that will be 7 and 2 centimeters. And then one at the bottom, so that one will be 7 and 3. So then we go down 3, and then we go 7. Now we have to do 2 of them. So on one side, so this one go what? 3 by 2. So 3 centimeters by 2, so that's on one side. And then the same thing on the other side. Now, does it matter kind of how you go on about it and in what order you do the elements? No, it doesn't matter, as long as the main point here is that we have all those elements with the appropriate measurements included. That's all. Well, obviously, as well, I am a little bit lying because we cannot have this, let's say, this side, so this side together with this side, because they are not together. If we cut the box, we have smaller rectangle, bigger rectangle, smaller one, and bigger again. So that order has to be kept. But instead of, let's say, drawing it like that, I could, let's say, move those two on top here, move it all down below. So that's what I'm saying, that not necessarily the very same order. The same with the sides. I could have one here, but I could have one here, for example, on this side. That will be appropriate, or have one here, depending how I cut my rectangular box.